In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to buy GTA 6 on PS5 tutorial. If you're having any issues or errors with purchasing GTA 6, this is going to fix it for you. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, get onto your PS5 or PS5 Pro and you want to tab over to the PlayStation Store and go ahead and search for GTA 6 up at the very top, or just scroll down and you're going to see GTA 6 on here. Go ahead and select it from the results. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now on the game page, go ahead and choose whatever edition you want. You're going to see the standard edition available for $80 and of course the ultimate edition available for $100. If you already bought the standard edition and want to upgrade, you can go ahead and look for the upgrade option on here. It's like an add-on. Now, if the purchase button is not working, you want to check to see if PlayStation servers are having issues. You can also try restarting your PS5 and restarting your router in case it is a connection issue. Go ahead and also check your payment method in the PlayStation Store and make sure your card, your number, your expiration date, your billing address, and all the other details are correct. If your card still doesn't work, try adding funds with a PlayStation gift card or a prepaid card. You can also buy the game through the PlayStation app or the PlayStation website using the exact same account, but that's really all you got to do. As soon as it's purchased, just go back and you can check your downloads or your game library and you'll be all set. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.